Hello, everyone, and welcome to Computer Science Week 10, Day 1. This is an asynchronous day, so you guys are all on your own. Hopefully, you've watched this video, although saying you've watched this video, and then hoping for it obviously does nothing for the people who haven't. But what I need you to do today is I need you guys to finish up your College Board practice PT right here. The grading of a task to make sure you understand what is expected of you is very important. This is also our first week of actually working on the project. So I need you guys to go ahead and start. Please look at the survival guide posted right here under week 10 for some guidance. This is a document. You do not have to turn in any part of this, but it's very, very helpful because it has lots of useful information in it. The one up here isn't working for some reason. Just use this one. I don't know what's going on with Google lately, but it's having a lot of trouble. At any rate, you make a copy for yourself. This is your own personal version of this document. I will not be looking at it. It's all up to you whether you want to use this or not. I highly recommend that you do. This is a really, really well put together, kind of very condensed and very targeted way to tackle this project. So first of all, they have some input-output requirements that they highlight for you guys. I highly recommend you skim through this. We're also going to take a little bit of time next class to do that together. All of this has already been mentioned previously. This is a little piece of the rubric. Here they have some quick exercises. I will go through these together with you just to make sure everyone understands what's going on. And then down here, actually starting the project, I recommend you use this as you start working on it. So you should narrow it down, figure out exactly what kind of topic you'd like to base your project on. So for instance, here's an idea. I want to make a tic-tac-toe game. Well, I would narrow it down. I would figure out exactly what it would look like. What kind of functions would I have? Can I have a list in there? I have to have a list. Can I have an algorithm that has an if statement and a loop in it? Does that all make sense within the context of this program? So on and so forth. Once you've figured out your project idea, make sure you write it down. And then they have this little chart here. You can print this out or use it online, however you like. But the idea is to make sure you know where your list is going to be, what your functions are going to be. Can that function have an if statement and a loop in it? At least one of the functions needs to. Is there going to be some kind of parameter there? Because if not, you should rethink what your project is going to be. Make sure you call it twice and you get different results. And from there, there's a timeline. I highly recommend, again, you follow this. So you set up your project idea, you start working, figure out the lists and the function, finalize all programming by hour 7, so that's by the end of next week, record a video, and then complete all the written parts. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. And if you're taking the SAT, I hope that you do well today, and maybe I'll see you in school. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and don't forget to start working on this project.